Hello everyone and welcome back to another CSS Battle Daily Target, where hopefully I try and teach you a little bit more about CSS each day. As always, the link to the playlist will be in the description below, and if you haven't already, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video in this series. Today, it looks like we've gone R for Ryan, so it looks like an interesting one to work with. So let's always, actually we don't need to even, no, the body is slightly different to the white background. So let's set the body background to this off-white color, and then we're going to do display flex again, just so we can center everything. Justify content end, no, always get these mixed up now, and align, yes, align items end. Good. Okay, so we're going to, looks like we can create two kind of divs here with borders and a border radius on each. So I think we're just going to give it a class. What am I thinking here? Give it a class of bar and then duplicate that. So we've got two of them. Now display flex and okay, I might have to change this. So flex direction you have to change, don't I? The column. And then these are going to have to swap. So this one is end and this one is center. It's better. And then these don't need a background, but we're going to have a border just so we can see what it looks like here. So if we have a border of 30 pixels, solid, that's pretty close, and we'll use that nice green. And then the width is going to be more like 200 probably. Yeah, that's fairly close. Can we do a gap here? I've never actually, minus maybe, minus 10 pixels. No, that doesn't work. Okay. And let's target dot bar here. And then what we're going to do is border radius to get the curved edges. We can only curve the top right and bottom right. We're just looking at the top one for now. I always forget again this shorthand. It can just be something like 40 pixels. 0, 40 pixels. No, got that wrong completely. Is it this one? Okay, so I think I can change this one to 0. Nope. This one 40 pixels. Needs to be more than 40 pixels in here. This one's probably more like 50%, right? No, not that much. 40%. Okay, we're not going to work with percent. 90 pixels. 90 pixels. Okay, that's close. It does look a bit too big, doesn't it? Let's change this down to 90. It might be fairly close to that. Okay, and then what we can do is do dot bar, and I think we can do nth child here to select the second one. So now the margin, yes, margin we can set to 0 minus 20 pixels. No, that didn't change anything. So this is again shorthand, so top and bottom and left and right. Yes. So that might need to be a lot more, 40. Okay, so that's top. And then which one's bottom? I can't remember. -20. Yeah, this one. Okay, so I don't actually know if it needs to be that far down. Let's just check this against this. So ours is too big. Yeah, it's too big. Try 80. It looks roughly the right size. And ours is too wide, I think, so let's go 180. Oops, not 1800. It looks like about the right size, just needs to be lower down. That's 35. Okay, no, it's too low. 32. 33. Yeah, this bottom one's going to be an issue, isn't it? Okay, we can figure out, I think it's the right size now. Let's figure out the bottom one. Set that to 30 for now. Because the border is 30 and yeah, so we can set this border radius. Now what we want to do here is less the border radius because it's looking like it straightens out there, isn't it? So it's going to be less than 80, so let's go 60. So look at the difference here. Oh dear. Okay, let's set a margin top on the body instead. 5. Okay, perfect. Well, the curve on that is off. Oh. We need to go the other way, 70. Okay, now we're looking good. Now what we want to do, okay, that's looking a lot better. Get rid of this white space. We can create another div here. Oh dear, what have I done there? On page end or something. Yeah, Command C, Command V. Let's just do this one as white. Dot white. I'm going to position this one as absolute. Now we can set the background to white. The height to 50 pixels and width to 200 pixels. Okay, I mean, it needs to be more than that. 250. Perfect. And then the height a little bit lower. 40. 45. 42. 41. No, 40 was perfect, was it? Oh, the little curve though I've got on the R. Okay, can we get rid of that with a 60 maybe? No, 40. There we go. Look at that. R for Ryan. If that's not 100%, then I don't know what is. Let's have a look. See here. 73.8% match. That's tough. That's really tough. Okay, we're gonna leave it at that for now. That's a tough one to take. And yeah, if anyone's made it this far, and if anyone's interested in what you've seen me using here, I use the Keychron K3 with brown switches and Logitech MX Master 2S. I know there's a 3S, which is newer, but it's still a great mouse and much more affordable in my opinion. Like I said, if anyone is interested, I'll leave the Amazon links in the description along with some of the other things I use on my desk setup. Just a disclosure, they are Amazon affiliate links, so I do get a small commission from any purchases. So thank you in advance to anyone that decides to purchase using any of my links. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like I said, if you made it this far, you feel like you've learned something today, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave a like and subscribe for more CSS battles and some new things coming soon. Check out some of the other videos in the playlist linked in the description below. You can also find some links to my socials, website and Amazon links down in the description. And thanks again for watching. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time.